Oh, is that right? You pooped in the refrigerator? I'm not even mad. That's amazing. Wait, what? You ate a whole wheel of cheese? Say dada. Say dada. Dada. Why aren't you giving me gibberish? Yes, oh, I love you too. Yeah. I love you too. You got the hiccups? You got the hiccups? Say something. She's not gonna do it now because she got the hiccups. She get mad. Ah, ba ba ba. Dada. Dada. She's getting angry. Should I just scare the hiccups out of her?
No.
Does that work?
No.
Nah! Oh, I'm sorry, sweetheart. I'm sorry. No, 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 no. I'm sorry. I didn't think you'd cry. You're alright.
You scared her,
I know,
really?
I'm sorry. And you still have the hiccups. It didn't work at all. I know, it was a terrible idea. I'm so sorry. I feel so bad. No. No, sweetheart. Come here.
I told you it
I
wouldn't
know,
work.
you're right.